Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your profile picture on the Webull application quick and easy. First of all, open up the Webull app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account before starting. Once you're logged in from the main watch list, tap on the menu button. Once you do that, in the menu button, go to the top and tap on your username and then click on Profile Information. On the next page, go to Photo and select a picture from your device's camera roll or take a photo from your device's camera by tapping on Take a Photo and clicking a picture. I'm just going to select from my album, so let's go ahead and do that. Select a picture from your camera roll and then tap on Choose and wait for a few seconds, and then your profile picture will be uploaded. And there you have a brand new profile picture for your Webull account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.